I'm going to train with him, do some drills there, mitts, a little bit of sparring. I hope it doesn't kill me.
Push you across. Sit down like that.
Fatality.
Hey, what's up mga paps? I'm with Garry here.
Good morning.
Okay, so he's been training martial arts back in Australia. So he's doing Muay Thai, right?
Oh.
Okay, he wants to train. I'm going to train with him. We're going to Meta Fitness and maybe do some drills there, mitts, a little bit of soft sparring. I hope it doesn't kill me. So see you later at Meta Fitness. Okay?
See you later.
Right, tayo na mismo sa Meta Fitness. So, hey ma'am, morning. Ma-train kami dia ng pila ganing walk-in? 250, okay. So we have the gym all for ourselves. Are you ready, mate? So we're all good, okay na? So warm up lang kami and then do some drills, back work. Let's start from that. Okay?
Okay.
Bago kami tapos stretching and warm up, so we're going to do back work na. Si Garry nag-start na. Alright, so nagka-paano ko sa gloves ko. Mapag work naman ko, okay?
Start simple. Start some punches. When you get, because that's your range. You're going in a range. So, steady. Go. Good. Good. Cross. Good. And then come back across. Just giving you power through your core. You want to push up. So, bang, push up. Push up. Yeah, pull, power up, see if you kick, power up, come back. Back in stance, okay, spin, look at your target, spin around. Just practice first, okay? Just slow. Come back in stance, spin, look, good, see, like a leap. Come back. Push harder. Push hard. So you want to push back, get the brain. Come in and attack. Push back. Always back.
Dame tu cosita. Ay, toma.
Grab you, he comes through, I grab it, now I'm finished. So now I've got you on the knees, body hug. Okay, so you can push across, through, push across. Like this. Twist up. And now we'll swap the other side. Now do this side so you can see both angles. Okay. Okay, so I'm clinching. Good. Okay. Push this up a little bit here, just here on the joint. That's it, on the joint. Push. Oh, knee. Oh, good. Push. Good. Okay, we can move on to the next one. The next one's easy. And I'm coming around. I've already stepped out. See, as I've pushed you, I've already stepped forward. So, if you're not prepared for this one, to come around. So you've got to get your step forward first. Push, that comes forward, come around. And as you're coming around, bang, go down. It's here. So if I push you across, step down like that. Oh, sorry, that's legal.
That's legal?
Yes,
Okay.
that's legal, but at the throat it's not.
Okay.
Okay, just like that. So, you know parry? You know parry?
Yeah.
So, one good to parry. I like to say you jab, parry, bang. Parry, just parry. So, you parry, jab, bang. Other parry, other cross, bang.
So alright, tapos na kami train. Kapoy. So good training with Garry here. So, pare,
How's the training?
It was Manggahan. We had a very good time.
Yeah.
I hope we had a good time.
Yeah, we did.
We're sweating, so we worked out okay. Good training session, and I think Ernest enjoyed the clinching.
Exactly. Clinching is good. That's my kind of grappling. Meta Fitness, one of the best MMA schools din sa Iloilo. Okay. Actually, first time ko na di. Namila facilities di, kompleto ang bags. Mga Muay Thai bags, boxing. Okay. Tapos rubberize ilang nga flooring. So, okay get, may cage pa sila. Namila cage. Okay, subong ka paway-way na yung mga instructors. So, Gary's a good man right here. Thank you kita. Okay. Take it. Right. So we're going home. I'm going to drop Garry back to the hotel, Richmond, and then I'm gonna have my rest too.
Time for rest and relaxation.
Yeah, R&R. So ginaguba gali nila dio. Ang overpass. Okay. So ginsiradhan nila ang road road closed na din subong. This street is actually a busy street.
Normally very busy.
Yeah, we just closed this for that. Pare, it's been great, man.
Harry, it's been a pleasure. It's been a pleasure being back here in your hometown in Iloilo and spending time with you and your family, getting to know your family. And I've loved training with you again, and I can't wait until I come back and we have a new adventure again next time.
All right.
Ingat, Harry.
Ingat. Yeah, just update me.
I will
Facebook.
update you.
Yeah.
Oh, for sure. Thank
Yeah.
you again.
See you, pare.
See you.